Uh, Good afternoon. Last night I was looking out my kitchen window and I could see rain driving at the street light down below. So I went out with my phone and filmed the street light at the front of my house. And when I played it back, there was one section which I've taken slides of here. Now this is the street light. This is the thing in question. This is a raindrop coming down here, and across it is like a dark brown yellow stripe, and when you go in on it, it looks like, remember you used to get the old films that you put in the camera, rolls of film, and this looks like a section, and this then would be where the image is. So I went into editing, altered the contrast and the exposure, and this is the part I was talking about, but outside there's a face there. I see two eyes and a nose. But there's a bit of a face there. Nose, mouth, eyes. But as you go further in, so there's a chin, mouth, nose, eyes. There's a face there looking that way. And there's a face starting to appear there, chin, nose, eyes. This is where the main one comes from. See it coming out there? There's a beard, mouth, nose, two eyes. Another one there. There's the main one I'm talking about. There's actually another one up there. Another face there. But this is the main part of this. This is inside a raindrop. For God's sake, inside a raindrop. And you can't say, oh, well, it's not there. But if you go bigger, then it starts to get pixelated and more vague. But as you look into these pixelations, there's a face there. There's another face there. There's faces all over the place. And as you're looking at all these other faces, so this main character is starting to get more vague. Where's he gone? You know, his mouth, his nose. But he's not so noticeable. Watch this now. Go back. Boom. There he is. What's it all about, Alfie? So I'll put it show you that was just one raindrop. Now put it on large view. It's not so noticeable, I think. You see there now? There's the main man. Rewatch this one. Whoa. Really stands out. And for any of you who are interested, after this photo is the video that I took. So if you don't want to watch the full 4 minutes 38, you can just stop here. But there's a lot more in that video to come out. But YouTube have stopped the slowdown. They used to be able to slow down by 8. Then you could go back in and slow down by 8 again. And you could get it so slow, you could see things that the eye wouldn't pick up. And for some reason, I can't work it out, YouTube have stopped it. Probably because they weren't making money on it, I don't know. But I haven't been able to find one as good as that. So everything that YouTube was doing good, they seem to be getting rid of. I don't understand why. Anyway, here's the video. All these blue strikes are raindrops. You spot that then? 22, I think it was. There. Remember when Randy did, he put a load of our videos up, and he did one of mine where that entity was dancing around the light, and there it is there now. Just come in, see the tail of it there, and these shapes that he was pointing out. But it's just a second or so and then gone. As you can see, plenty to get into. If I can find, or if anybody out there knows of a good slowdown app. I tried a few and then they call themselves free, and within 30 seconds of you using it, they're asking you to buy them a cup of coffee, which is they want 50 pence or 70 pence every time you use it. So how the hell is that free? Anyway, anybody out there knows, as I say, I don't mind buying one as long as it's not £4 or £5 a month. I don't mind buying one. I just wish YouTube still had theirs. Over and out.